232 tariffs were paid to the overseas manufacturer, and we paid the manufacturer for the tariffs. I assume the refund, if that ever happens, does that go to the
I
manufacturer?
think the question is who originally paid the tariffs to the government.
Yep.
And if the manufacturer was the one that wrote that check because they served as the importer of record, then the answer is yes. So I know there's a bunch of purchasing folks. The very first thing when all of these tariffs came out is everyone said, I'm not going to be the importer. My manufacturer is going to do this for me because they have a better rate, a better price. What's going to be really interesting is if this was the case, it goes back to well, they're the ones now getting the refund.
Mhm.
Are you getting it back now? Are
Right.
you going back to them? Or what if, like I said, what if they don't understand this because they're not a US company, maybe they're German based, and they don't realize they need to have all of these conversations and protect their refund. And now they don't get it back. If I'm the end customer, I'm pissed.
Yeah.
Like, hey, there's a lot of money on the table here that we didn't go get back. So I think there's a lot of education that's going to need to start to happen from that perspective, from what I'll put in quotes, pseudo importers here in the US who maybe changed their buying terms due to the tariffs. And I mean, I know you saw some of it,
Mhm.
changed buying terms just because.
Mhm.
And now there is maybe some backwards movement there.